Facet Injections. Introduction. Once the facet injection is given, there should be no pain in the next 2 days. Select true or false. Correct. Though there may be immediate relief after facet injection, there may be some pain in the first day or two after the injection. Also, the injections may need to be repeated at some point in the future for long-term relief. Infections often occur after a facet injection. Select true or false. Correct. Such infections are very rare. A facet injection cannot affect the functioning of the bladder. Select true or false. Correct. In rare cases, if internal bleeding or nerve injury occurs after a facet injection, it may affect the bladder. A facet injection is always effective in decreasing pain. Select true or false. Correct. Facet injections are usually effective but may not help a particular type of pain. Also, more than one injection may be necessary to control pain. Allergic and drug reactions are very common after a facet injection. Select true or false. Correct. Even though rare, these reactions could happen and could potentially, in very rare instances, lead to death. It is therefore very important to inform your doctor about all the allergies you have. Thank you for using Explain.